Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, the place where learning English is as fun as reading a good book. I'm Emma.
Crunch, crunch. Hello, everyone. I am ready, Emma. I have my popcorn, I have my blanket, and I have my listening ears on.
Rahul, you are making a lot of noise with that popcorn, but I'm glad you are prepared, because today we're doing something special. Today is story time.
Yes, I love stories. Is it a scary story? Is it a romance? Is it about a man who eats too much pizza?
No, Rahul, it is a fable.
A table?
No, a fable. Fable. A fable is a short story that teaches a lesson, usually with animals as characters.
Ah, talking animals, like Mickey Mouse. I like it.
Before we open our storybook, we have a request for our listeners.
Yes, if you want to hear more exciting tales, please subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And click the like button. It helps us tell more stories.
Okay, Emma, once upon a time, go.
Okay, this is the story of the lion and the mouse. Once upon a time, in a deep green jungle, a mighty lion was sleeping. Zzz.
He was taking a nap. I relate to this lion already.
Suddenly, a little mouse ran across the lion's nose. The lion woke up with a huge roar. Roar!
Oh no, you don't wake up a sleeping lion. That is rule number 1.
The lion was angry. He caught the mouse in his giant paw. He opened his big mouth to eat him.
Goodbye, Mr. Mouse. You are a snack now.
But the mouse cried, "Please, Mr. Lion, don't eat me. If you let me go, maybe one day I can help you."
Wait, a tiny mouse helping a giant lion? That's a joke, right? That's like me helping Superman.
The lion thought it was a joke, too. He laughed. "Ha ha ha! You help me? You are too small." But the lion was not hungry, so he was nice. He let the mouse go.
Lucky mouse. He should run away and never come back.
The next few days, 2 hunters came to the jungle. They set a trap made of strong ropes.
Oh no, hunters are the villains.
The lion walked into the trap. Snap! He was caught in the net. He couldn't move. He roared for help, but he was stuck.
See, he needs help. Where is his mouse friend?
Well, the little mouse heard the roar. He ran to the trap. He saw the lion tied up in the ropes.
What can he do? He doesn't have a knife.
He has something better. Teeth. The mouse started to gnaw on the ropes.
Gnaw. What is gnaw?
Gnaw, G-N-A-W, means to chew something hard. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Ah, like me crunching on my popcorn. I'm gnawing on the popcorn.
Exactly. The mouse chewed and chewed until snap. The rope broke. The net fell open. The lion was free.
Wow, the little guy saved the big guy.
Yes, the lion was amazed. He said, "Thank you, little mouse. You were right. Even a small friend can be a big help."
Aw, that's beautiful. They're besties now.
And they lived happily ever after. The end.
Bravo, bravo, good story.
Thank you. So, Rahul, what is the moral of the story? What did we learn?
The moral is never wake up a lion unless you are fast.
That's a good advice, but no.
Okay, the moral is don't judge someone just because they're small.
Perfect. Little friends can do great things, and kindness is always rewarded.
I like that. I'm small, but I can do great things too, like eating this whole bag of popcorn.
That's not exactly what I meant, but sure.
Emma, I liked the word gnaw. Can we review the vocabulary?
Great idea. Let's look at the key words from the story.
Let's break it down.
1. Fable. A short story with animals that teaches a lesson.
2. Mighty. It means very strong and powerful, the mighty lion.
3. Trap. A device to catch animals. The lion was caught in a trap.
4. Gnaw. To chew something hard. The mouse gnawed the rope.
5. Moral. The lesson of the story.
I learned a lot. Stories are a great way to learn words because I can see the picture in my head.
Exactly. Listeners, we want to hear your story.
Yes, in the comments below, tell us what is your favorite childhood story or fairy tale.
Do you like Cinderella, Aladdin, or maybe a story from your own country?
I like The Three Little Pigs because I like bacon. Just kidding. I like the house made of bricks.
Tell us the name of the story in English.
So please write a comment and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed Storytime.
Bye, everyone. I'm going to find a lion to make friends with.
Rahul, no, stay here. Bye, everyone.